Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Artsy Hub. This is Anudeep Karkera here, and in today's video, let us see on how we can do a hand-eye coordination exercise. It's a beautiful exercise where kids will be really interested on doing this, and I'll be sharing all what other exercises also that can be done in the class. So it is going to be an upgrade from the previous class. So this is the part 3, and also one set of batch will get regular drawing, and the another set will get exercise and the regular set of drawings. So let us begin. Here we start the exercise. If you find this video helpful, please do consider subscribing to my channel. Let's begin. So here, so here in this video we are using a slate, a chalk, and a brush. So here I'm using a round brush. Even flat brush you can use for this. And in the brush you have to take like 2 drops of water so that it washes away the chalk. So initially you have to draw some shapes in the the slate, and the students have to trace and erase those chalk marks. So as you can see, there's a lot of focus that is being built while doing this. It's a beautiful exercise. Please do take a note that uh, they have to regularly clean the brush as well, because there is a lot of that white chalk that will be settled on the brush. So you have to keep a bowl of water for them to clean this. So this is very important. And as you can see, there are a lot of shapes that has been drawn in the slate. It's a small slate, and for those who are finding it difficult to write or draw, this is definitely going to be helpful. Here as you can see, uh, it is taking time for her to trace it, but she's doing it slowly and neatly, following that pattern. So writing would be a little difficult. Now by practicing this, I think we can achieve a greater result here. Yes. While this played for the one set of students who for whom we were giving a lot of exercises, these are the another set of students which are a little higher higher grade, yes, a little advanced, and we have given them drawings of a village scene which I've drawn in the beginning in the board, and they had to use the brush pens. So one set had a lot of exercise, and one set of students had the normal drawing along with the coloring. So here we are using brush pens, and a few are finding it difficult to use the brush pens also. So what we will be doing is that in the next coming classes, I'll be picking them particularly, and I'll ask them to get crayons, so that once they get develop with crayons, then we can shift to brush pens. Now here, this is an upgrade to the previous class. In the previous class also you had seen one set of students doing all these exercises. Now here it is the same continuation of this exercise. So regularly you have to practice this, and you will develop in this.